IMA Group is exhibiting at FRUITLOGISTICA 2020. Andrea Boccolini, Product Manager, Ilapak Beggars, by my side. Andrea, which kind of machines are you exhibiting at FRUITLOGISTICA?
This year we are exhibiting our Vegatronic 6000 machine, which is a continuous motion vertical form feed seal machine.
To which sectors is it focused in?
This machine is dedicated to the produce industry.
And which is the main features of this machine?
So this year specifically we are running a fully compostable and recyclable paper film. It's dedicated to potatoes, whole potatoes, and the target is 2.5 kilo of stand-up block-bottom bags of potatoes.
Only potatoes?
Oh no, it's not just for potatoes. In fact, this machine is a bestseller in the world for fresh cut salad application, and it can be easily retrofitted with ultrasonic sealing system.
These machines can use film in paper, that's right.
This machine can run any type of new sustainable films, like biodegradable films, compostable films, and recyclable paper-based films.
A few words relating sustainability in Ilapak, part of IMA Group, of course.
Yes, both Ilapak and IMA as a mother company are very sensitive on this subject, and we are investing a lot on R&D on this subject. So we are trying to manufacture new sealing systems in order to be able to accommodate the customer requests and be able to run any type of new films, like, as I said, biodegradable, compostable and recyclable materials.
Andrea, this is the second day of FRUITLOGISTICA. Which is your opinion relating this exhibition?
So FRUITLOGISTICA is a very important show for Ilapak, as produce is a very important industry. We have to say that we are receiving great interest in our machine. There's a great interest in new sustainability, on new packaging materials, all these subjects, and it's going very well, thank you.
Andrea, which are the next exhibitions Ilapak will exhibit?
So the next one will be Sefia in France, but the next big one we're all looking forward to is Interpack, of course.
And where do you will be located?
So this year we'll be together with IMA, our mother company. We will be in Hall 17, stand A20. Please come and visit us, Sonia.
Thank you, for sure.
Thank you.